The car that knows more than you think. You've been driving your Volkswagen for months, maybe years. You know where the cup holders are. You know how to connect your phone to the Bluetooth. You probably even know how to fold down the rear seats. But here's the thing. There's an entire layer of technology living inside your VW that most drivers have never touched, never activated, and never even thought about. And that technology exists for one reason only: to keep you alive. Today, we're going to change that. We're going to walk through the most powerful, most overlooked safety features built into modern Volkswagen vehicles, talk about how they actually work, and explain why ignoring them could be the most dangerous thing you've ever done behind the wheel. Stay with me, because some of what we're going to cover is going to genuinely surprise you. Trick number 1. Front assist with city emergency braking, the guardian that never blinks. Let's start with something that sounds simple, but is actually one of the most sophisticated systems ever put into a passenger car. Front assist is Volkswagen's forward collision warning and emergency braking system, and it is always watching. Always. Using a combination of radar sensors tucked behind the front grille, the system continuously measures the distance between your car and whatever is in front of you. It calculates your speed, the speed of the vehicle or object ahead, and the rate at which that gap is closing. It does this thousands of times per second. While you're thinking about your grocery list, while you're glancing at a road sign, while you're reaching for your coffee, Front Assist is doing math that would take a human mind several seconds to process. Here's where it gets interesting. The system doesn't just warn you and hope for the best, it works in stages. First, it flags a visual and audio alert if it detects you're approaching something too fast. If you don't react, it primes the brakes. So if you do tap the pedal, maximum braking force is applied instantly with no delay. And if you still haven't reacted and a collision is imminent, it applies the brakes by itself. Full stop. City emergency braking is the low-speed version of this, designed specifically for the kind of slow-speed crawl accidents that happen in traffic jams and parking lots. These are the crashes that seem minor but cause serious whiplash injuries and thousands of dollars in damage every year. The system activates at speeds below roughly 30 kilometers per hour and can bring the vehicle to a complete stop without any driver input at all. Most drivers leave this system on because it's on by default, but many never actually understand what it's doing for them every single day. Now you do. Trick number 2. Blind spot monitor. The eyes in the back of your car. Your mirrors have blind spots. This is not a flaw in your driving. It's physics. There is a zone on either side of your vehicle, just behind your peripheral vision, where another car can hide completely. You can adjust your mirrors perfectly and still miss a vehicle sitting in that zone. This is the blind spot, and it causes an enormous number of highway accidents every year. Volkswagen's blind spot monitor uses radar sensors built into the rear bumper to watch those exact zones. When a vehicle enters your blind spot, a small amber light illuminates in the corresponding side mirror. Subtle, unobtrusive, but always there. If you then activate your turn signal to change lanes while a vehicle is in that blind spot, the warning escalates. The light flashes urgently. You'll also feel or hear additional alerts depending on the model variant. What makes this system particularly smart is its ability to distinguish between vehicles that are pulling up quickly from behind versus vehicles that are just traveling alongside you. A car approaching at high speed from behind isn't necessarily in your blind spot yet, but the system anticipates its trajectory and warns you before it becomes dangerous. Many drivers on older VW models have this feature available but turned off, either because a previous owner deactivated it or because it was accidentally disabled during a settings reset. Go into your infotainment system right now and check. Go to the driver assistance menu and confirm that blind spot monitoring is turned on. This is not optional equipment for modern driving. It is essential. Trick number 3. Lane assist, the invisible hand that guides you back. Distraction is the #1 cause of traffic fatalities worldwide. And the most insidious kind of distraction isn't someone texting at a red light. It's the gradual, invisible drift of a tired or slightly inattentive driver slowly moving across lane markings without realizing it. Lane Assist uses a front-facing camera mounted near the rearview mirror to monitor road markings in real time. The moment the system detects the vehicle beginning to cross a lane marking without a turn signal being activated, it applies a gentle counter-steering force through the wheel. It doesn't yank the wheel. It nudges you, like a gentle hand on your arm saying, "Hey, pay attention." This is critically important because the correction happens before the driver even registers there's a problem. By the time your eyes have noticed the lane departure and your brain has sent the signal to your hands to correct, the system has already begun bringing the car back to center. That fraction of a second is everything at highway speed. There is also a fatigue detection component layered into the system called Driver Alert. As you drive, the system is analyzing the micro corrections you make with the steering wheel. A well-rested, focused driver steers in a certain pattern. A fatigued driver's inputs begin to look different, slower to react, slightly erratic. When Driver Alert detects this pattern emerging, it displays a coffee cup symbol on the dashboard and suggests you take a break. This is not a gimmick. This is an algorithm trained on thousands of hours of driving behavior specifically to catch the early warning signs of fatigue before it becomes fatal. Trick number 4. Adaptive cruise control. Cruise control that actually thinks. Most people understand basic cruise control. You set a speed, the car holds it, you lift your foot off the pedal. It's been around for decades, but that version of cruise control is actually dangerous on modern roads because it has no idea the car in front of you just slowed down. Volkswagen's adaptive cruise control changes everything. Using the same radar system as front assist, the adaptive system doesn't just maintain your set speed, it maintains your set following distance. You choose how much space you want between yourself and the vehicle ahead, and the system handles everything else. If traffic slows, your car slows with it. If the road clears, your car accelerates back to your set speed. You don't touch the pedal for any of it. On higher trim levels and newer models, this system works all the way down to a complete stop. So, if you're on the highway and traffic comes to a complete standstill, which happens constantly around cities, your car brakes to a stop by itself, holds it, and when traffic begins moving again, a single tap on the accelerator or a confirmation button brings it back up to following speed automatically. This is called stop-and-go functionality, and it transforms the exhausting experience of dense highway commuting into something genuinely manageable. The safety benefit here is massive and underappreciated. Rear-end collisions are one of the most common types of crashes in the world. The majority of them happen because a driver was traveling at highway speed and didn't notice traffic slowing ahead quickly enough. Adaptive cruise control eliminates that risk during the moments it's engaged because the system reacts faster than any human ever could. Trick number 5. Park Assist, the feature that saves your car and other people's cars. Nobody talks about parking accidents as seriously as they deserve to be discussed, but the reality is that parking lot incidents make up a staggering percentage of all vehicle damage claims. Slow speed scrapes, misjudged distances, pillars, bollards, other vehicles, the damage adds up, and it's always irritating and often expensive. Volkswagen's Park Assist goes well beyond basic parking sensors. The full system uses ultrasonic sensors all around the vehicle to build a picture of the space around it. When you're searching for a parallel parking space, the system scans as you drive past and actually evaluates whether the space is large enough for your vehicle. If it is, it tells you, and then it steers the car into the space by itself while you control the accelerator and brake. That last part is important. The driver remains in control of speed and is responsible for monitoring the surroundings. The system handles the complex geometric problem of fitting the vehicle into the space without touching anything. For most drivers, parallel parking is one of the most stressful maneuvers in their daily driving life. This system removes it entirely. Rear cameras and the surround view system, where available, complete this picture by giving you a bird's-eye composite view of the entire vehicle from above. This view makes it immediately obvious when you're about to clip a curb, get too close to a wall, or roll into the car behind you. Accidents that used to be inevitable become avoidable with a glance. Trick number 6. Emergency Assist, when the driver cannot drive. This one is less well known than anything else on this list, and it might be the most extraordinary of all. Emergency Assist is a feature available on several modern Volkswagen models, and it does something that would have sounded like science fiction 10 years ago. If the system detects that the driver has become unresponsive, hands completely off the wheel for an extended period, no steering input, no pedal input, it begins an escalating response sequence. First, it tries to alert the driver with visual and auditory warnings. Then, it sends vibrations through the seatbelt. Then, it briefly applies the brakes sharply to try to wake the driver or attract the attention of other motorists. And if none of this works, the system gently guides the vehicle to a stop within the lane and activates the hazard lights. This system exists specifically to handle situations where a driver has had a medical emergency, a heart attack, a stroke, a sudden loss of consciousness, events that give you no warning and no preparation. In those moments, emergency assist keeps the vehicle from becoming an unguided projectile. It brings it to a stop. It turns on the hazards. It does what a conscious driver would have done. This feature requires lane markings to function, so it works best on highways and well-marked roads. But the fact that it exists at all, built into a mass-market passenger car, speaks to how seriously Volkswagen takes the full spectrum of scenarios their drivers might face. Trick number 7. Travel Assist. All of it working together. This is the feature that ties everything else together. Travel Assist is Volkswagen's suite-level semi-automated driving assistance system, and it's the most complete safety picture the brand currently offers. When Travel Assist is active, it combines adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and several other systems into a unified cooperative driving mode. The car maintains your speed, maintains your following distance, and keeps itself centered in the lane, all at the same time, all from a single activation. It works on highways and well-marked roads, and it represents one of the closest experiences to genuine highway autopilot available in a mainstream production car today. But here's what's critically important to understand, and what Volkswagen is very clear about. Travel Assist is a driver support system, not a self-driving system. The driver must remain attentive and keep hands on the wheel at all times. The system monitors this and will disengage and warn you if it detects that you've become too passive. This is not a technicality. It is a fundamental design choice rooted in safety philosophy. The driver is always the driver. What Travel Assist does is reduce the cognitive and physical load of long highway driving to a manageable level, which means you arrive at your destination less exhausted, more alert, and with more reserves of attention available if an unexpected situation does arise. The cars are ready. Are the drivers? Here's the honest truth. Volkswagen has spent billions of dollars and decades of engineering time building safety systems into their vehicles that are genuinely capable of preventing accidents that would otherwise be unavoidable. These are not marketing bullet points. They are functioning, tested, real-world technologies that save lives every day, but only when they're turned on, only when drivers understand them, and only when those drivers trust them enough to let them work. The tragedy is that for so many drivers, these systems remain dormant in the menus of a car they've owned for years. They drive past the settings screen on the way to the radio presets and never come back. They tap the lane correction away the first time it feels surprising and switch the feature off. They set cruise control at a fixed speed and ignore the adaptive version entirely. If you take one thing from today's video, let it be this. Open your driver assistance settings, read through what's there, turn things on, learn what each system does, practice using them in low-stakes situations. Because the moment any one of these features actually saves your life, you will not have time to be glad you set it up. It will just happen, quietly, instantly, invisibly, and you'll drive home not even knowing how close it came. Your car is smarter than you think. It's time to start driving that way.